Now, as I said, today's theme is page 1. And we have someone who is starting their page 1 in Toastmasters. It's an icebreaker speech. And as is the tradition in Toastmasters, we don't just clap when they finish the icebreaker speech. We do something special. So once the speaker finishes their speech, we all stand up and give a thunderous standing ovation. Are we clear? Yes, we want to encourage them to keep coming back on the stage. Now, is there anyone here who's ever been bullied in school, college? Yes? Okay, beware. The next person who's coming on stage was also bullied, but she gave it back to them. So don't ever do that with her anymore. She's here today only to break ice. Nobody's face, nobody's teeth. If you behave well and clap well. Giving her first ever speech in Whitefield Toastmaster, we have an IT professional who dreams of becoming a fearless speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Sarayu. Just put it on.
Okay, hold it, my hand.
It'll be easy if you put it on. Shall I put it for you?
Sure. Thank you so much.
TM Sarayu, my life, my lines. My life, my lines. TM Sarayu.
Well, thank you so much, Toastmaster Nidhi. Hi, everyone. Thank you for being here. Honestly, you're going to start timer. You started? Honestly, sit. Oh, yes. Yeah, just want to say, sitting there and waiting to give this speech is like harder than I thought. So, thank you so much. Let's begin. For those of you who are thinking yet another boring speech, believe me, I'm with you. So the reason I'm here is to become a killer speaker someday, so that I don't need to ask for promotions. It comes to me. That said, as you all know, what's an icebreaker speech is to talk about yourself and share some interesting facts. So here is fact number 1. I hate wireless mouses. The reason being, you need to change batteries and it takes a lot of effort. And I'm an old school girl. I like to buy once, plug and play for lifetime. So I prefer wired mouses. Now, fact number 2 is that how many of you have heard of the river Sarayu?
Sarayu?
Yeah. So can you imagine it? A wide, shimmering river flowing through the holy city of Ayodhya, where the grand Ram Mandir is now built. But here's a twist. My name is Sarayu, and still the river is in mine. The meaning of Sarayu in Sanskrit is wind, and the wind isn't mine either. So what's mine? It's the personality of the both. So think about the river. It flows in all directions. It hits the rock. It rages through the mountains. It crashes over the rocks. Sometimes it's wild, sometimes it's calm. And isn't that how life is? And the wind. It's free, it's unpredictable, it's wild. So I am just like that. To good people, I'm a breeze of jasmine. To others, let's say not just jasmine. So that's me, a river and a wind trapped in a body. So who am I? My name is Sarayu Gajendra, and I'm born and raised in Bangalore, a city of startups, street dogs, and signal jams so long that you will start questioning your life choices. And sometimes you want to put a signboard on the car saying that this is my permanent residence. I'm going to stay in the car. That said, like most of us, I was once ambitionless, talentless, and totally lost. So, naturally, I did engineering, and now I work for an IT firm. And in an IT firm, when you're lost, obviously the tech will always take you in. A job that pays you well, but it steals your hairline. So now let's talk about real IT struggles. It's not about deadlines, it's not about bugs, it's not even about your promotions or performance ratings. It's about hair fall. Let's talk about this. So how many of you have YouTubed at 2 a.m. in the morning how to regrow hair over your head overnight?
Maybe not 2 a.m., but then some other a.m.
And how many of you, raise of hands, how many of you have joined IT and lost the will to live and your hairline? It's common, right? So I tried everything. I broke eggs on my head. I smelled like disappointment. And finally I thought, now that I earned some money, let's do some adulting. So I went to a hair specialist. He told me hair fall happens for 3 main reasons. Reason number 1, vitamin D deficiency. Reason number 2, iron deficiency. And reason number 3 is hormonal imbalance. So that said, solution, ashwagandha supplements. So I did take it for a month, and after a month, miracle did happen. Hair did grow, but not on my head, on my cheek and my upper lip. So I'm the only genius on the planet who would be paid a price to get a beard and a mustache. That's fact number 2 for you guys. I now get a beard and a mustache. So fact number 3 is that I'm not here to give a preach. I'm here to share some interesting facts about public speaking that I am aware of, that I picked up from here and there. Not from a place of expertise, so please don't quote me on this. So let's start simple. How do you stand on the stage? So you stand with your feet shoulder width apart and you own your space. What do you do with your hands? You stand like this. This is the power pose, most preferred. Second most preferred. This, they say, is not confidence. Alright, tip number 2 is, this is a weird one, but so if you have nails, this works better. Just press your nails against your thumb, like your palm, sorry. So when you do this, it pains. So when this pains, it suppresses all other pain. So this says your brain that you're in control. Try this, this works. I know this is a weird hack, but this is survival technique. Third tip is if you want to reduce your rate of speech, you have to concentrate on your lip movements. So when you concentrate on your lip movements, this grounds your words. It makes every word sound intentional, and it slows you down. So try these 3 tips, and here's the truth. It's not about knowing everything. It's about practicing what you know. So do practice. That said, for those who think you need life figured out early, remember the river, remember the wind. It does not wait for clarity, it just moves. I may not own the river Saryu, I may not be the wind. Still I flow, I fly. Sometimes like a breeze and sometimes like a fart. And for those of you who are anxious, ambitionless, or just lost, just know you're not alone. You're just in the flow, and in this messy flow, we will find our way. With that, that's my time. Thank you so much, everyone, for being with me. Means a lot. Thank you so much.